Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial by WepTech Academy. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create a flyer using Adobe Illustrator. So to begin, go ahead and create file and create a new document. To do that, you go to file, new, and I'll set the width of my document to 500 and the height 500 pixels, and the color mode will be RGB, resolution will be 300 pixels, and go ahead and click create. So what we'll do next, if you create a document and you don't have this window, you go ahead and click Ctrl T and it's automatically going to pop up. So next thing we'll do is we'll be importing our image. So I have an image here, it's going to come in here. All right, I'll go ahead and reduce the size of this, and I'll adjust it to make it fill my background. I think this is it's not yet okay. This will be okay. So next thing we'll do is I'll create a shape, and this will come over here. So this shape will have a black fill and there will be no stroke on this. And I'll go ahead and choose a blending mode here, which will be multiply. So next thing I'll do is to create a simple layout here. I'll do so like this using the pen tool. Oh sorry, this is not a pen tool. Select this, all right. Okay, so this is good. I'll go ahead and change the color of this to a yellow fill, and what I'll do next is adding a shape inside here. So this shape, I'll put the color of this shape to white, fill the shape with the white color, and I'll go ahead and insert what will be going in there. So I'll go ahead and reduce the size of my image. Send my image to the back, and I'll go ahead and select both shapes and the image, right click and you select make clipping mask. So I'll adjust, so I'll add some stroke to this. To do that, I'll click here and come back to this, and you see I can now edit the fill and stroke of this. I'll change the stroke of this to white, and this will be set to 5. Okay, so next thing we'll do is adding some a little effect at the top here, which I'll use the pen tool to do that. Select, I'll create these shapes. Okay, so think so with this I'll change the color of this. This will not have any stroke, and the color of this will be white. I'll go ahead and duplicate the shape, hold Alt, and I'll set the color of this to yellow. Now adjust this, and it is good. So next thing we'll do is adding our text. So I will just add a simple word text. Place it here. I can now use my character panel to change the size of this to 40 and the height, and I'll set this to, so I'll change this to Montserrat. on serif, and this will be bold. Use the size of this a little bit to around 38. And next thing here will be I'll change the size of this to 18, and here I'll put in entrepreneur. Go ahead and adjust this a little bit, so this will be 16, and I think this is good. Now I'll transform this, select both tools, and I will just rotate this a little bit. Alright, so okay, I think this is good. So next thing we'll be doing is adding our text, which I'll select the text tool and I'll type in WebNew Daniel, and this I'll set this to 25. I'll duplicate this by holding Alt click, and I'll put in here this young, and this will be a medium font. This will be 20, and I'll go ahead and duplicate this holding Alt click. So here will be entrepreneur. Change these to, I'll still duplicate this, sorry, and I'll put in here together. We can, okay, I'll add some quotes here, and I'll set this to a bold italic. Alright, so I think this is good. Let me adjust this. Now next thing I'll be doing is I'll add some little things here that will make my design better. I'll set the color of this to white, and the stroke of this will be 2. Pull this up a little bit and duplicate this holding Alt, and this will be a yellow stroke. Now I'll add some little items here. Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste, and I'll zoom in here. Pull this other way. I'll rotate this. Alright, select both and I'll group. Okay, I'll just hold Alt and do this. So I'll change this to white, and I will increase the size of this. Send this a little bit down. Alright, this is good. So go ahead and export our file, and you will choose here, set this to JPEG, and use artboard. Change this to flyer. go ahead and click export. Now the reason why I'm clicking use artboard is because I have some little things here which overlap my project, and if I export it like this, these things at the side are going to show. So I want to use just the artboard, all what the content of the artboard, just it. So it's going to be eliminating all of these little things which are not part of my artboard. So we go ahead and set this to RGB because we want to use it for social media. Resolution and quality will be 6 and everything's okay. Go ahead and click OK when you are done. So thank you very much for following. I hope this tutorial was amazing to you. You learned a lot of things.